Hello everyone, welcome to Maths for Sure. Okay, today let's understand what are the arc length and area of sector. Okay, in this topic, there is one theorem, that is, if S is the length of an arc of a circle of radius r which subtends an angle theta radian at the center of the circle, then S is equals to r theta. Okay, so let's understand the meaning of the statement. Okay, here the theorem ka statement says that S is nothing but the length of an arc. So length of arc of a circle is denoted by this capital S. Okay, and the radius of the circle is r, which subtends an angle theta radian. Who is subtending this angle? This length of an r subtends an angle theta radian at the center of the circle. So your arc length of an r subtends an angle theta. See here, the angle is in radian, correct, at the center of the circle. Then the formula is S is equals to r theta. So S is nothing but length of an arc, which is equals to radius into theta. Okay, so now let's do this theorem. So you will begin with the proof. Okay, so let us draw the diagram for this theorem. This is a circle, okay, whereas this is the center. Let's name the center with O. Okay, this is the radius, even this is the radius, correct. And let me join this. So let us name this as A, this point as B, okay, and this as A dash. Okay, now we all know that this O A is a radius, even this O A dash is also a radius, but this A dash A is nothing but a diameter ना, because यहाँ पे ये रेडियस और ये रेडियस पूरा बना के हम लोग का डायमीटर बना रहा है सर्कल का, करेक्ट. दिस AB, this is nothing but arc, correct. So let's name this as S. Okay, so S is nothing but length of the arc. Okay, now here the angle is theta radian, correct. So this arc subtends an angle theta radian at the center of the circle, correct. Now let's start. So let O be the center and R be the radius of the circle. Okay, let AB be an arc of the circle with length S units. Okay, so this AB is nothing but an arc, और उसका जो लेंथ हम लोग कंसिडर कर रहे हैं वो हम लोग S यूनिट कंसिडर कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, so we can see that major angle AOB is nothing but theta radian. This AOB is nothing but theta radian. Okay, now let A dash be the diameter of the circle. So this A dash is nothing but the diameter of the circle, where we know that theta is measured in radians. Okay, Now length of arc AB is proportional to measure angle AOB. We are saying that this length of arc AB is proportional to this measure angle AOB, and length of arc ABA dash is proportional to measure angle AOA dash. Okay, see you. Arc, that is, we are considering the arc as AB A dash, this semicircle ना, ये वाला. तो ये जो arc है is proportional to an angle AOA dash. This is the straight angle, correct? Okay, and we all know the straight angle is of measure 180, that is nothing but pi. Okay, so further we can write length of arc AB upon length of arc ABA dash is equals to थीटा रेडियन बाय पाई. तो देखिए यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि ये जो मेजर था एंगल ए ओ बी, इट वॉज थीटा रेडियन, बराबर है. और ये जो एंगल है ए ओ ए डैश इज अ स्ट्रेट एंगल, दैट इज व्हाट, अ स्ट्रेट एंगल इज ऑफ मेजर 180 डिग्री. 180 डिग्री इज नथिंग बट द पाई, करेक्ट. तो हम लोग ने ये लिखा. सो लेंथ of the arc AB upon length of the arc AB A dash is equals to measure angle AOB, that is theta radian upon measure angle AOA dash, which is a straight angle, and the degree for this straight angle is 180 now. So it is of measure 180. So in place of 180 we can write it as pi. तो हमें पता है कि straight angle ये कितने measurement का होता है, it is of 180, that is nothing but pi. Okay, so this arc AB, look here, arc AB is nothing but of length S ना. So यहाँ पे हम लोग length of arc AB की जगह we can write it as S, correct. But this arc ABA dash, देखिए यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बोला ये सेमी सर्कल है, ABA dash ये क्या है, सेमी सर्कल आ गया ना यहाँ तक. यानी मैं ऐसे बोल सकती हूँ ये सर्कल का सर्कमफरेंस का ये हाफ पार्ट है, बराबर. सर्कमफरेंस ये पूरा है, बराबर है. तो दिस ए आर्क, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द आर्क ए बी ए डैश इज नथिंग बट हाफ ऑफ द सर्कमफरेंस. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखेंगे हाफ ऑफ द सर्कमफरेंस, ओके, विच इज इक्वल्स टू थीटा बाय पाई, करेक्ट. अब यहाँ पे आगे देखिए एस upon half, okay, and circumference is nothing but we can write it as 2 pi r, okay, theta, which is equal to theta by pi. So your 2 will get cancelled, and so the answer it will be like s upon pi r, which is equals to theta by pi, correct. Now let us do the cross multiplication. So s pi, which is equal to theta pi r. From here both the side pi will get cancelled. So s is equals to, see your pi is getting cancelled from both the side now. So s is equals to theta r. That can be written as s is equals to r theta. Okay, so here we can see that s is nothing but length of an arc, that is S. So length of an arc is denoted by capital S, which is equals to r theta. That's it. Okay, so this is the theorem. Let's do the next theorem also. Let's do the next theorem. Okay, so see here, the statement of this theorem says that if theta radian is an angle between the radii of the circle of radius r, then the area corresponding sector is half r square theta. Now let's understand what this theorem is saying. See here, if theta radian is nothing but an angle between the radii, okay, angle between the two radius, that means of the same circle of the radius r. तो जहाँ जो लेंथ रेडियस का जो मेजरमेंट है, दैट इज इट इज ऑफ r length, okay. then the area corresponding sector is nothing but, तो वो जो भी area corresponding sector है that is half r square theta. Okay, let's understand the meaning of this statement with the diagram. So here I'll draw the diagram. So this is a circle. Okay, let's name the center with O. This is a radius. Even this is a radius. Okay, name it as A dash, A and B. The angle over here is theta radian. Okay, this is the what? This is the arc. Okay, now here the statement is saying that theta radian is an angle between the radii. Now see here, this theta radian is the angle between the radii. तो देख सकते हो यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट रेडियस है वो है ओ ए, सेकेंड जो रेडियस है वो ओ बी है. तो ये दो रेडियस के बीच में ये थीटा रेडियन है. ओके, सो दिस एंगल इज बिटवीन दिस टू radius, that is nothing between the radii of the circle. Okay, which is the radius r. Length of the radius is here, we are considering it as r. Then the area corresponding sector is nothing but half r square theta. मतलब क्या, the area corresponding sector मतलब ये जो area frame हो रहा है यहाँ पे, that is nothing but it is half r square theta. ओके, सी ओ द एरिया करस्पॉन्डिंग सेक्टर, यानी ये जो एरिया है वो इसका वैल्यू कितना है, हाफ आर स्क्वायर ए. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एरिया ओके ऑफ सेक्टर ओ ए ओ बी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेक्टर ए ओ बी. तो इसका एरिया, ये जो सेक्टर का एरिया है वो कितना है, हाफ आर स्क्वायर थीटा. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स डू द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस थियोरम. नाउ हियर लेट्स सी दैट लेट ओ be the center and r be the radius of the circle. Okay, measure angle AOB which is of theta radian. Correct. Let A dash be the diameter of the circle. Okay, so this a dash is nothing but the diameter. As I told you, this is a radius, this is a radius, तो ये पूरा diameter बना रहा है circle का. Okay, therefore area of sector AOB, see your area of the sector AOB इसका is proportional to the major angle AOB. Okay, and area of sector AB A dash, okay, AB A dash is proportional to measure angle AO A dash. तो हमें पता है ये जो straight angle है बराबर है. So now see you, this is nothing but we can write it like this, area of sector, okay, that is AOB upon area of sector AB A dash, which is equals to measure angle AOB upon measure angle AOA dash, that is nothing but theta by pi. तो हमें पता है ये जो मेजर एंगल है ना AOB, देखिए यहाँ पे AOB ये जो एंगल है वो थीटा रेडियन का ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ था. और ये जो एंगल बना रहा है AOA, it is a straight angle and we all know straight angle is of measure 180. 180 is nothing but pi, na? Correct. So here we can see that therefore area of sector AOB, area of sector AOB is equals to area of sector AB A dash into theta by pi. What I have done over here, I'm just doing the cross multiplication. देखिए, area of sector AOB upon area of sector AB A dash which is theta by pi ना. I want the value of this ना, area of sector AOB. इसके लिए मुझे जो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, फॉर दैट आई विल शिफ्ट दिस डिनोमिनेटर ऑन राइट हैंड साइड सो इट विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई. तो देखिए ये बराबर यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है थीटा बाय पाई के साथ. ओके, नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट दिस एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ए बी ए डैश इज नथिंग बट सीओ, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ए बी ए डैश. ये जो सेक्टर है ना, दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, इट्स अ semicircle now, that is what area of this semicircle, it will be half pi r square, correct, into theta by pi. As I told you, this is a semicircle. We are talking about the area sector a b a dash. तो ये semicircle है, तो हमें पता है सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज व्हाट, पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो उसका हाफ करें तो सेमी सर्कल बनता है. इसके लिए देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे पाई आर स्क्वायर को 2 से डिवाइड कर रही, तो ये सेमी सर्कल बन गया बराबर. सो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ए बी ए डैश इज नथिंग बट द सेमी सर्कल ना. सो एरिया ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल इज व्हाट, हाफ पाई आर स्क्वायर. अब यहाँ से वी कैन इजीली कैंसिल आउट दिस पाई पाई. सो द आंसर इज योर इज हाफ आर स्क्वायर थीटा. सो फाइनली वी कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, एरिया ऑफ sector AOB which is half r square theta. So just now we have proved that area of the sector AOB is half r square theta. तो यही हमें प्रूव करना था ये थियोरम में. So we have done. Thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.